Hello, Class 5-1 Orange Group. Mr. Waterman here with today's Period 2 Language Arts lesson on Friday, May 7th, 2021. Hope everyone is safe and well. We are going to be working out of our grammar workbook. We are on page 4 today, which is a proofreading activity. Okay? So when we were in school, we started talking about types of sentences, right? From page 1, we learned that a sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. We learned a sentence fragment is a group of words that does not express a complete thought. We learned that every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. We learned a statement is a sentence that tells something. It ends with a period. And we also learned a question is a sentence that asks something. It ends with a question mark. On page 2, we learned a command tells someone something to do. It ends with a period. Please watch this video is a command. We learned an exclamation expresses strong feeling. It ends with an exclamation mark. Do your homework now is an exclamation. I said it loudly, and it should end with an exclamation mark. On page 3, we learned every sentence begins with a capital letter. A statement ends with a period. A question ends with a question mark. A command ends with a period. Sometimes it ends with an exclamation mark, though. An exclamation ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, we completed those activities. Now we're going to complete the proofreading activity. So just to review each of the points. Point 1. Begin every sentence with a capital letter. Point 2. Place a period at the end of a statement. Point 3. Place a question mark at the end of a question. Point 4. Place a period at the end of a command. And point 5. Place an exclamation point at the end of an exclamation. For the directions, it says to rewrite the paragraph below. Use the correct capitalization and punctuation marks. Listen and read along as I read the paragraph. I like spelling. It's my favorite subject. Each week, our teacher gives us 20 spelling words. I always write the words in my notebook. The boy who sits next to me sneezed. How sick I became. I could not be at school the day our teacher gave us the spelling words. I called my friend to get the words for the week. I feel confident that I will get all the words right on the test. This is going to be easy. I hope I'm not sick the day of the spelling test. There are too many mistakes to count. Where to begin? What I like to do to help me is I like to circle the mistakes as I go along and then write the corrections down. I like spelling. That's not a question, that's a statement. I'm going to circle that question mark when I rewrite, and remember to indent because this is a paragraph, so indent. I like spelling. And since it's a statement, it's going to end in a period. Okay? Let's look at the next sentence. It's my favorite subject. Well, that should have a capital I. So I'm going to circle that. It's my, I'm going to erase that. That's a bit too close together. Makes it look like an H. There we go. It's my favorite subject. I don't think we need an exclamation mark there. That's a statement. So that's going to end in a period. Okay? And I'll do one more sentence with you. Each week, our teacher gives us 20 spelling words. I'm going to circle that question mark. We don't need that because this sentence is a statement. Okay? So each week, our teacher gives us 20 spelling words. Okay? And that is it. Those are all the examples I'm going to do with you. There's our mirror again. Please go through and circle all of the mistakes and finish writing the paragraph correctly. Okay? Now, if you look here on the bottom where it says at home, it says to write a dialogue between Sage and Star using at least one type of sentence. So, again, these are all the sentence types. There are 4. You're going to write a dialogue. You can do it here at the bottom of the page. Between Sage and Star. Okay? And make sure you do one type of sentence. So I'll do an example. I'm Sage. Sage says, hello, Star. How are you? Okay. Star says, I'm fantastic. There's my exclamation mark. Okay. And then you can go on. All right? Be sure to use each type of sentence. Now, what I will tell you is this. I would like you to review pages 1 through 4 because Tuesday when you come in, you're going to have a test. The test will be on pages 5 and 6. Those of you who had me last year, you know that the grammar tests are always 2 pages. They're always the actual test page, and they are the following page. That is the review page. Go ahead and review everything and be prepared for the test when you come in for Language Arts on Tuesday. Fingers crossed that we're not still online. Okay? Also, please remember to take pages of the activities and email them to me if you think you will not be at school next week or in case something happens. That way I can check the work and I can give you feedback. Do not send it to Class Dojo because I cannot print anything off of Class Dojo. Okay? Last, please make sure to keep up with your journals. Okay? Remember, your journals should be 15 sentences or more. Okay, this is grade 5 now. I'm expecting at least 3 full paragraphs from you. If you are unsure about what you should write about in your journal, please use one of the journal ideas that I gave you from the list. Take care, stay safe and well, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, okay? One last thing. If any of you did not complete your Getting to Know Me assignment that I sent home with you, and TKS's safety tip assignment, make sure you complete these and get them into me. Okay? Bye-bye for now.